Okay, so we're here doing this bedroom for the first job. It needs gripper, underlay and a bar, and obviously the carpet. Room size is just under 4 meters by 3.65. So stay tuned guys, and I hope you enjoy. Right then guys, so the carpet's in the room, we've underlaid, we've grippered, we've put the bar in. The landing hasn't been done yet, so we've stuck a single bar in so we've got no teeth on the other side. Sometimes fitters put a double bar in, then they'll pop some of the offcut of the carpet on the other side so you don't catch your feet. I put a single in just to finish it off because I don't know when the landing they want that doing, and the stairs. So the carpet's in the room, and now we need to make sure that the pile directions go in the correct way, if you can do. Because sometimes, depending on the best economical way, it might be measured differently. But like I said, from that wall there to that wall there, we're just under 4 meters. We're looking at 3.95. Now, anyone that is in the industry as a carpet fitter will surely know that carpets nowadays, especially with action back carpets, normally come anything up to about 5 mil short anyway. It's very rare they'll come actually bang on 4 meters. But anyway, let's get back to it. So we've laid the carpet out, and the pile is brushing up this way. That's what we want, so that when we come in with the vacuum, the pile's brushing up. It's just basically going to wear correctly if we run the pile the right way, if we can do, and if it's best for the customer. So when it comes to one person spinning a carpet out, you want to make it as easy as possible. Some people will grab the end here, feet under this side and pull it up. That does two things. It can guard each corner. Personally, I've always done it the opposite way round, and I will just literally take it to about there, and then just very gently. Okay. Right. So I think what I'll do now to make this easier is just letterbox it slightly. So chuck that side in and then spin it round. Chuck that side in a little bit as well. This is just to make the load lighter. And then I can pull that all across. Less weight on the floor, like that, is going to stop your underlay from rocking. To be fair, you should have put enough staples or enough tape or spray to hold that down so you don't have any problems there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is try and run net off this back wall, I think. So it's a nice day today, so the carpet's nice and supple. Okay. Now then, what I can do here is just with the back of my heel, keeping it to the floor, very lightly tap that round there, and then vice versa in this corner, just with the back of my heel, keeping the carpet low down to the floor. Tap that one round. Okay, so I'm quite happy at that there. Now let's take it out over the other side to make sure that it's up in the doorway. Fold that back slightly, make sure everything's up, and that is lovely.